In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment method in Instagram. To start, you need to sign into your Facebook account in a web browser. This is essential because Instagram uses MetaPay, which is linked to your Facebook account for managing payment methods. When you log into Facebook, you will see your newsfeed, notifications, and various menu options. Look for the login fields typically found at the top right corner of the screen. You will input your email or phone number and your password. Once you have entered your credentials, click on the Login button. This step connects you to the necessary settings for managing payments across Meta apps. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Settings and Privacy section. You can find this option on the left side of your Facebook homepage. When clicked, it will reveal a drop-down menu. From here, select the Settings option at the top of this menu. This will take you to a new page where you can adjust various account settings. Ensuring you are in the right section is crucial because it leads directly to where you can manage your payment information. Next, open the Account Center. This feature is usually located in the left-hand menu under Settings. When you click on it, you will be directed to a centralized hub for managing your accounts across Meta platforms. Here, you can see all your connected accounts and services. This step is important because it consolidates your payment methods and settings in one easily accessible location. After opening the Account Center, select the MetaPay option. You will find this within the Account Center menu. Clicking on MetaPay establishes a secure environment to manage your payment methods. It's designed to facilitate transactions across platforms like Instagram and Facebook seamlessly. This is a key point in the process as it sets you up to add your payment information effectively. Now click the Add Debit or Credit Card button. This action will open a form where you can enter your financial details. You will need to provide your card number, expiration date, and security code. Be sure to double-check your entries for accuracy. Once you have filled in your payment details, proceed to save your changes. This ensures that your card information is stored safely and securely for future transactions. Finally, your payment method will now be available across your connected Meta apps, including Instagram. This means that anytime you wish to make a purchase or run ads, your payment method is ready to go. This convenience can save you a lot of time in the future, as you won't need to re-enter your details for each transaction. As a helpful tip, if you are adding a payment method for Meta verified, Instagram ads, or boosted posts, be sure to check that you are signed in to the correct Meta account. Depending on how you purchase the subscription, there may be instances where you need to manage payments through the Apple App Store or Google Play Store instead. This little note is vital as it can help you avoid any confusion about where your payments are processed. Now you are all set to manage your payment methods in Instagram effectively. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide has made the process clear.